Hello everyone. Today I want to explain question tag. Okay. What is question tag? Now question tag is also called tail tag. Okay. What is question tag or tail tag? A question tag is a short interrogative phrase or statement that can be added after the given statement or sentence. Okay, a short interrogative phrase or statement that can be added after the given statement or sentence are called question tag. Okay, now how to find or form question tag? That is very important. Okay, many students don't know how to find or form question tag. Now see, first step, read the question, means any question or given sentence. Okay, read the question or given sentence first. Okay, first you read the given sentence. After that, if the sentence is positive, you must add negative tag. Okay, if sentence gives us positive information, then negative tag to the auxiliary verb. Which auxiliary verb? Okay, you check is, was, were, are, had. Okay, do, does, did, any auxiliary verb. Okay, first pick out the auxiliary verb, then read the question. Question gives us positive information, then negative tag. Okay, here auxiliary verb, after that we have to add nt, means not. Okay, if the sentence is negative, okay, sentence gives us negative information, then the tag is positive. Is that clear? If sentence gives us positive information, then negative tag. If the sentence gives us negative information, then positive tag. Okay, is that clear? Okay, next step, if the statement does not have any auxiliary verb. Okay, see, sometimes sentence does not have any auxiliary verb. That time we use does, do or did. Okay, if statement does not have an auxiliary verb, that time we use do, does or did. Okay, that is very important. Okay, if the statement does not have an auxiliary verb, is, was, were, had, can, could, may, might. Okay, and no any auxiliary verb, that time we use does, do or did. Okay, now next step, the auxiliaries does and do are used only if the main verb is in present tense. Okay, if there is no auxiliary verb, that time first pick out the main verb and see, if main verb is in present tense, that time we use does or do. Okay, if main verb is in present tense, that time we use does or do. Now again listen, when we use does, that very important. Okay, many are doing same mistake. Now listen, when we use does, okay, auxiliary does is used with singular subject such as he, she, it. Okay, and any singular subject, there we use does. Okay, if there is no auxiliary verb, that time you see the main verb. If main verb is in present tense, that time see the subject again. If singular subject, then we use he, she, it. That time we use does, auxiliary does. Okay, that time we use does. Next, when we use do, auxiliary do is used with plural subject. Okay, if there is no auxiliary verb, that time you see the verb. If verb is in present tense, then again check the subject. If plural subject, that time we use do. Okay, such as plural subject, I, we, you, they. Okay, these are all plural subject. Is that clear? Now next, when we use did, okay, if there is no auxiliary verb, then see the main verb. If main verb is in past tense, that time whether it is singular subject or plural subject, you use which did. Okay, if verb is in past tense, that time we use did. Is that clear? Now listen, if any sentence is imperative sentence, means sentence gives us command, request, order, okay, then you use will or shall. Okay, if imperative sentence, that time you use will or shall. Okay, now one more thing, negative form of will always won't. Okay, and negative form of shall, shan't. Never write shalln't. Okay, negative form of shall, shan't. Now for example, bring me a glass of water, will you? Okay, let's start the game, shall we? Let's stop teasing him, shall we? Okay, now next point, auxiliary verb am is changed as are when if sentence gives positive meaning, then negative tag aren't I or ain't I. Okay, if subject is I. If the sentence gives negative information, then positive tag am I. Is that clear? Okay, auxiliary verb am there. If sentence gives positive meaning, then negative tag aren't I or ain't I. Okay, if sentence gives negative information, then positive tag am I. Okay, example see, I am hungry, aren't I or ain't I. Okay, I am not hungry, sentence gives us which negative information, so positive tag am I. Okay, now if any sentence contains words such as not, neither, none, no one, no, nobody, scarcely, hardly are treated as negative words. The statements or sentence contains words such as not, neither, none, no one, no, nobody, scarcely, hardly, seldom and rarely are treated as negative words. Okay. Next, sometimes we can't identify any subject in the sentence. Sometimes no subject in the sentence. Then you search particular word such as no one, anybody, anyone, nobody, none, neither, everybody, everyone, someone, etc. Okay. If above mentioned word is there, then you use pronoun they. Okay. If there is no subject, that time you search the word. If any one of these words, see no one, anybody, and anyone, nobody, no, none, neither, everybody, everyone, someone, etc. Okay, that time you use pronoun they. Okay, is that clear? Next, see one more. If there is no main verb, sometimes any sentence there may no main verb, only we can see only auxiliary verb. Okay, only auxiliary verb is there. Then you consider auxiliary verb as a main verb. Okay. If there is no main verb, that time you consider auxiliary verb as main verb. Okay. And use does, do or did. Okay. If there is no auxiliary verb, that time what can we use? Do, does, did. No, same like that. Here also you consider auxiliary verb as main verb. Okay. See, for example, I had no friends. Here no main verb, only auxiliary verb here had. Okay. Then here verb is in past tense, so we use did I. Why? Here sentence gives us negative information. Okay. She has a car. Here also no main verb, only auxiliary verb, so you consider as a main verb. Then see here present tense as, so we use doesn't she. Sentence gives us positive information, so negative tag. And they have money. Here also have we consider as main verb. Actually auxiliary verb, then also we consider as main verb, and we use the tag don't they. Why? Sentence gives us positive information, so negative tag. Now let's see few example. It's getting late. Okay, here auxiliary verb is there, so isn't it. Okay, sentence gives us positive information, so negative tag. I am trying to help. Here I am, so aren't I. Okay, they needn't wait any longer. Here need auxiliary verb, so sentence gives what? Negative information, so positive tag need they. The elephant eats leaves and plants. Okay, here elephant singular and here verb 1, so doesn't it. Here no auxiliary verb, only main verb is there, so doesn't it. Fruits give us strength. Here also, here plural subject and here verb 1, so don't they. Your mother never goes to party. Here sentence gives us what? Negative information, word never used, so does she. Okay. Tagore wrote our national anthem. Here verb 2 means past tense, so no auxiliary verb. Here verb is in past tense, so we use didn't he. We should walk faster. Here should auxiliary verb is there, so shouldn't we. Okay, express your feeling clearly. Will you, imperative sentence, so will you. I am on my way. Okay, here I am, so aren't I.